thank you all for attending.
Thank you, dear Mr. Bapna, dear heads of states, media and civil society organization and representatives here, dear guests. First of all, allow me to express how honored I am to be present here today and discuss with you an issue that is important to both governments and the citizens. Rebuilding trust between governments, citizens, and organizations of various kinds is crucial for establishing transparent and vibrant democracies. Macedonia recently overcame a severe political crisis. Part of this crisis was the citizens' privacy was breached. The serious undermined the trust of the citizens. The newly elected government of the Republic of Macedonia is well aware that the information and the communication technologies change our daily lives, but also change the mode of governance. I'm glad that within the framework of the Open Partnership Initiative, we can see how those could be utilized. In 2011, Macedonia became the 35th member of the Open Government Partnership, and we have made 3 action plans so far. The Ministry of Information Society and Administration coordinates the processes. It follows closely the implementation of the action plans and coordinates a participative action planning. 219 institutions, 224 non-governmental organizations, 30 private sector actors, 9 universities and 7 diplomatic representatives provided their input in the creation of the current 2016-2011 action plan. We cover 8 topics, 35 commitments, and plan to achieve 100 goals. We have paid special attention to budget transparency and accountability of government institutions, to standardize information of public procurement and narrative reports on health programs. The working group that supervised the implementation of the current Open Government Partnership 2016-2018 envisions new mechanisms and involvement of greater numbers of stakeholders and remains focused on budget transparency, public consultation, and greater access to the technologies for greater number of citizens. We also find it important that the Open Government Partnership goals are complementary with the Sustainable Development Goals that address poverty, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, goal partnerships, climate actions, and peace, justice, and strong institutions. In accordance with the aforementioned commitments, in the past decade, the government introduced various tools mostly aimed at providing citizens with information on its services, competencies, and regulations, including Open Data Gov, Uslugi Gov, MK, Energy Gov, etc., etc. At the same time, various funds became increasingly available for both state institutions and civil society to develop democratic innovation utilizing internet communication technologies. I am glad that Macedonian startups, NGOs, and businesses actors push the boundaries and establish good practices. In recent years, we saw user-friendly public data visualizations, vote advice applications, whistleblower initiatives, and live open studio databases. There is a lot of examples. However, in the recent past, e-government initiatives went hand in hand with a decline in democracy in Macedonia on various dimensions. This mismatch of commitments and results in terms of democracy indicates the points I want to make it. Innovative solution will go as far as we, as a government, provides open and high-quality data to citizens. Citizens can access various applications, e-democracy platforms, and open data platforms. Yet, we are the ones who need to provide feedback and nurture engagement. Citizens engage when we engaged. Our gathering today provides that world leaders are aware of these trends. My message today is let us give life to transparency and citizens' participation. Let us rebuild trust in government and democracy. As a newly elected government, one of our highest priorities is to show readiness to listen. We are eager to open up the data, see past government, and to improve it. We want to listen to our citizens because without their feedback, we walk in the dark. We work towards setting up mechanisms for continuous consultation with the government, our ministries, and agencies. We want to change the culture of communication. The Third Nation Action Plan of the Open Government Partnership will promote greater openness and possibilities for closer cooperation with all stakeholders. We can learn from each other, but especially from the non-governmental actors involved and present today. There is a long way to go, and this initiative keeps us focused. Governments that want to serve their citizens are open. They do not hide, they reveal, rethink, and create with the citizens. We need to use the existing mechanisms and to create new ones to make our democracies robust. Thank you for your attention.